Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do pumpkin curry because I did some grocery haul and I got a lot of pumpkins, and so I cut up a small piece. Pumpkins are huge, so this is just a small slice. And I got my onion to the pumpkin. You really don't need to give anything, but I'm just giving onion, and I do have a little bit of 1 teaspoon of olive oil, to that little bit of a saporia and cumin seed. And as soon as my onions are brown, I'm just gonna drop my pumpkin, and to that I'm going to add the basic spices, whatever you have in your home. I'm going to add salt, turmeric, garam masala, and any kind of vegetable masala blend, and just cover it up with some cilantro leaves to garnish and cook it like 10 to 15 minutes. It's all ready. Actually, there was a yogi who was extremely healthy, and he was 60 years old but looked like 25. He lived on pumpkins, so he just had like this and would just chew and eat it. And this is really tasty. And he ate only fruits and vegetables, and also he ate only raw. So I guess there's a huge benefit to raw eating than cooking. I do eat raw some things, but I'm not gonna switch 100%. So I will eat just a little bit of raw and then a little bit of cooked food as well. So let me wait for the onions to brown up, and then I'm gonna add my pumpkin. I'll show you what to do next. So as you can see, I have my pumpkin. To that I put salt, turmeric, garam masala, and vegetable masala powder. Now I'm going to chop up some of my cilantro leaves and put it on top of it, and put a lid, cover, and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, and we're all done. So here's my pumpkin curry, and it's looking awesome. I'm just gonna pour it in a bowl. So here's the pumpkin curry. It's really tastes amazing and looking awesome too. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.